Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify OAuth sign-in with Okta in React Native, full guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, create a new React Native project using the command line. Use the command npx React Native init your project name to set up your project. Navigate into your project directory using cd your project name. Next, install the necessary dependencies for Okta integration. Run npm install at okta/okta React Native to fetch the Okta SDK. After that, register your application in the Okta Developer Console. Log into your Okta account and select the Applications tab. Click on Create App Integration and choose Native. Configure your app settings, including the redirect URI. In the General Settings, note your client ID and domain. Now, set up your React Native app to use these credentials. Open the app.js file in your project. Import necessary components from the Okta SDK. Initialize the Okta configuration with your client ID and domain. Wrap your app in the OAuth provider to manage authentication. Next, implement a sign-in function within your app. Use authservice.signin with redirect to redirect users to Okta for authentication. Handle the authentication response using authservice.handleAuthentication. Ensure your app can capture the redirect to process the auth token. Implement user session management to keep track of authenticated users. Use React Context or State Management for maintaining user session state. Make sure to include error handling during the sign-in process. Create UI components for the login button and status messages. Test your app by running it on an emulator or physical device. Monitor the authentication flow to ensure everything works seamlessly. Debug any issues by checking the console logs for errors or warnings. Finalize your application by ensuring proper styling and usability. Review the Okta documentation for any advanced features or best practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.